Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your OS and having the image ready. This matters because resolution and format affect scaling. Once done, open Settings on Windows or System Preferences on Mac OS and go straight to Desktop or Personalization. You're doing this now so you can see live previews. This avoids guesswork. While you're there, keep the image folder open so you can quickly change sources. Make sure display scaling and multiple monitor options are visible before you proceed to placement choices. You'll now choose the image and placement. This controls how it fits on the screen. Select your source, file, photos, or a saved URL, and pick Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span so it matches your monitor's aspect ratio. Once selected, preview at native resolution. If it looks cropped, switch to Fit or Center. For multiple displays, select each monitor and set per display options, or use Span for one continuous wallpaper. Make sure scaling and orientation are correct for each screen. Apply and save the wallpaper, then verify your lock screen setting if you want the same image there. If the image appears blurry, choose a higher resolution file or adjust display scaling. This is why resolution matters. If the change won't stick, restart Explorer on Windows or log out and back in on Mac OS. Also clear any desktop cache and confirm the image file isn't write protected. If problems persist, check user permissions and try a different image to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.